Hi guys, it's me, Bonita. It's January 31st, 3 a.m. in the morning. I just finished my work and this is my first ever vlog 2025. So now I'm walking to the most famous tourist spot here in Taipa, in Macau. If morning, hindi mo to makakita ng ganito because so many people walking around, taking pictures, and eating here. But now, kitang-kita nyo naman ilang tao. And napakaganda ng village. If you like vintage stores, vintage houses, at the same time, vintage background. Because it's Chinese New Year, as you can see. Yeah, 31st of January. So many palamuti. Oh, so cutie. Every day from work, I just walk because it's winter. And 16 ngayon or 15 degrees. I'm not sure. Let me check later. After my work, I just walk alone. Kasi from work, going to our house, if you're in a hurry, you can make it 15 minutes, dun ka na. Pero kapag, sabihin natin 10 to 15 minutes, kaya mo nang abutin yung paroroonan mo. But, if you're taking the bus, mga 2 minutes lang dun ka na. And now, I'm currently walking. Punta tayo sa Sansco because Grove City. I just get something for tomorrow. Kasi yung shift ko ngayon is 6 to 2 a.m. So, wala tayong food. But sa work ko is all free. Gusto mo mag-breakfast, gusto mo mag-lunch or dinner. Before your shift, before you start to work, you can go to our canteen to eat. Afterwards, our meal break. And then after my work, I can also go to our canteen, but I decided not to because, before ganun ako. Syempre makakatipid ka, lalo na if OFW ikaw, talagang ganun ang iyong gagawin. But kasi ako, nag-jeta, I'm on diet, so... My God! Wow! Skip my... Tatawid muna tayo. Skip my dinner. Pero morning na ngayon. So, yeah. Yun lang. So, dito sa place namin is lahat malapit. I'm so lucky because lahat malapit. Malapit ang bilihan. Meron kaming bilihan ng mga kagulayan. Meron ding mga grocery. Yun. Grocery. And then, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa Macau dahil so many bake shop. I'm not into coffee, but marami rin ditong coffee shops. And mga kainan ng ang sasarap. Halatang mahilig kumain. Pero isa yun sa nagustuhan ko dito, especially nung bago ako. Even before sa Philippines, favorite kong bread. I can live without rice, but I cannot live without bread. But I'm on diet, so tinis-tiis kong walang bread. I think almost 1 month already na walang bread. No rice, no bread, only veggies and some sweets, diba? Hindi pwede dun. So I'm here. Sansco. Just to grab something for tomorrow. This is the place. It's very nice also here. Alam ko kung pwede dito mag-take videos, no? Mag-take ng video, mag-do vlog. Pero, I don't know, let's see. Okay, kita nyo na po. Alam nyo guys, matagal na itong gusto ng friends ko. Especially me, gusto ko rin naman, pero wala akong lakas ng loob na mag-take videos. On TikTok, so many videos there, but uploading here on YouTube. I cannot. I don't know, maybe this is the sign to upload this first vlog. But let's see. Ito mga pasilip lang. This is the hot pot. I think this one is hot pot. Yan mga seaweeds. Yan. This one is my favorite. So yummy, this one. Hindi ko pa na-try yung iba, pero if may alam kayo, suggest kayo. This one also, I also tried this one. That one is my sister's favorite. Yeah. Actually, dito, kung kukumpara mo sa Pinas, talagang mahal. Pero, if you're working here, hindi naman lahat mahal. Like, katulad ng... Saan ba? Again, yung Pringles. Before, never ako namimili yan sa Pinas. Which is, hindi naman ako pala bili ng gano'n, no? Hindi ako pala chicharyal. Pero, dito, ang apakamura. For me, hindi ko inilalahat. Katulad nga ng sabi ko. Kanya-kanya tayong opinion. Kanya-kanya tayo ng kagustuhan. So, this one, ito yung price niya. Nakasila ito. Before is 59, but now is 49. Correct niyo ako kung mali ako dyan. Ito yung price ng mga noodles. Actually, isa yun sa nasasarapan akong noodles. Yan. So yung vlog na to is about grocery. It's not about my life. Patawid lang tayo. Alam niyo po ba, pag naglakad kayo ng gabi dito sa Macau, it's very safe. Yung tipong parang sila na lang yung mahihiyang lumapit sa'yo, gano'n. No, very safe po dito. Lalo na kapag may mga insidente, hindi naman natin gustong mangyari. Pero, apakadaling tumawag ng pulis. Tsaka, siguro kasi, takot silang, yun, may something na may mangyari sa kanila. Yun naman ang may gusto ulo. Pero, yun lang. Very safe. Hindi ko pa masyado na-explore yung Macau side. But, sabi nila, hindi ko alam, wala akong idea kapag gabi doon. Pero dito, lahat na huyata ng shift is na daanan ko na. Like, morning shift, mid shift, and overnight shift. Ngayon, 6 to 2 a.m. shift. No? Patawid-tawid lang tayo ngayon. Hingal ako pataas na ko kasi ito eh. Hawak ko ngayon is 80 years old. Yeah, super bigat. Grabe. Para ako nag-workout. So, need ko itong i-off kasi hindi natin mag-tap dyan and take the lift. Hirap grabe. So, sa mga hingal! Grabe. Alam nyo, napakasarap ng winter dito. Ako lamigin akong tao, pero ngayon, hindi ko masyadong nararamdaman. Yabang mo I mean, hindi ko masyadong nararamdaman ngayon. Dahil, hingal na hingal ako. At, yeah, ito na ako. Hingal na hingal. Opo. Nakikita nyo naman sa likod. So na nga ako. Ayun nga po. Hindi ko masyado ramdam yung lamig dahil ikay hingal at pagod at kita yun ang bit-bit ko. Oh, grabe. Tapos yung pa isang bag. Anong oras na ngayon? 3:30 a.m. See you again, guys. I hope you enjoy my first vlog. Kabonitas. Hindi ko ito i-upload sa TikTok dahil gusto ko lang gawing... Gusto ko lang mag-vlog. Actually, tagal ko nung gustong-gusto itong i-start. Nung pagdating ko pa lang po dito, magdadalawang taon na ako. And ngayon ako nag-start because, ewan ko, hindi ko po alam. Bakit parang bigla lang ako, ano kaya na, hindi ka pa mag-video, hindi ka pa mag-i-start. Yun lang po. See you soon, guys! God bless us all and keep on praying. Love, love! They can see really good. Come here. Show your handsome face. Ah, they're not listening now. I have something for you. Say hi. Hi, vlog. Say hi. Show your beautiful face. Hi, vlog. Wow. You know, he's very, how to say, he's very kind. He's a very sweet boy. And every time when I arrive, he loves to ask for food from me. So, parang ikaw yung magigilty kapag wala kang something for him. So, this one is blueberries. Blueberry? But need natin i-wash first. Kasi, look, oh. He really likes this one. So, yun lang. Let's continue our topic next time. But, yun lamang sa ngayon, dahil ako'y pawis na, I'm planning to do workout pa. Like, buhat-buhat lang tayo, ganyan. And then, squat lang ng konti. Umiiyak na siya kasi ang tagal ko. Pero, hindi ko pa po alam eh. But now, I can still do workout. It's very power because he want to eat that. Say hi, baby boo.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, it's me, Bonita again. January 31st, the afternoon, and now we're walking because walang bus. Still Chinese New Year. And then, mag-resume yung bus dito. On February 4. And I'm so shy because so many people walking here. Kaya naman pero hindi pa ito yung pinaka-busy dahil busy road dahil nasa papasok pa lang tayo, nasa entrance pa lang kumbaga. Pero makikita niyo, wait. So yan, makikita niya yung entrance, yung bus stop. Next bus stop. And then, yung kagabi, kaninang umaga din, ang pinakita ko sa inyo. Still, this is my first time to walk the Chinese New Year here, so I still don't know kung ano mga pagganap nila dito. First time kong maglakad dito ng gantong oras na maraming tao. Opo, at may mga bantahan like this one. 5:15 PM na, and my work starts at 6 PM. So kanina ko nakita niya na konti lang yung tao. Now, eto na. Super dami. Masarap pag-walk ngayon dahil winter. Pero pag summer, wala yun. Pag summer na ganito, oh my God. May mga hula-hula rin pala sila. Naka-costume din. May mga bata. Kailangan natin magmadali. Dahil tayo yung paligid. So yun na. Usually, pag holiday, mga naka-post talaga dito halos lahat. But, meron pa rin naman mga bus stop na, mga bus na ongoing. Pero, katulad na nito is old type of village. Tourist pa talaga. Pero yung type pa. So talagang sinasirado na lang. So, look. Ito yung pinakita ko kahapon na. Halos hindi hindi na itong halos madaanan. Especially if may bus. So, dumadaan because this one is only one way. Normal day, ganito yung itsura. Daming tao, daming tourist, daming naglalakad. Sana ako dyan, guys. Sana ako sa nagmamadalian. Sana ako sa naghihingalaw dahil malamig. Once again, happy Chinese New Year to everyone, especially you, mga kasama akong Chinese. First vlog natin ko. Tsaka, hope na masundan pa lang madami. Oh, what's this? Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero, ano ba yan?